What's the number one mindset wealthy investors have that new investors miss? It's not about luck or so-called insider secrets. True wealth is built with patience, brick by brick. Wealthy investors aren't chasing fast wins. Instead, they're playing the long game, giving their investments time to grow. I invest for my future self, not today's thrills. Imagine where you could be in 5, 10, even 20 years with this mindset. Here's the reality. Risk is part of the game. The wealthy don't run from it. They master it. That means starting small, staying steady, and never betting it all on a hunch. Even if you're investing just $10 or $50 a month, you're planting seeds. Think about Warren Buffett. He's famous for steady, consistent investing, not big gambles. Let's see it in action. Every dollar you invest now is a seed for tomorrow's freedom. With compound interest, money makes money, even while you sleep. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more your wealth snowballs. Investing $50 a month from your 20s can grow to 6 figures by retirement, even if you never increase the amount. You don't need to be a genius, a day trader, or a Wall Street expert. Studies show long-term, boring investing beats trying to time the market nearly every time. The key: stay invested. Grow your skills, not your stress, and tune out the hype. Stick to what you truly understand. So, what's stopping you from investing today? Remember, the wealthiest weren't born that way. They learned, started small, adjusted over time, and kept going. Start for your future self. Comment below if you're ready to invest for you.